stay another night in this forest, I will not sleep. 5 miles left. 4 miles left. 3 miles left. There is a big river. I have to get my shoes wet. This is going to be the last struggle, probably. I have only 2 miles left. So I saw a flashing light in the distance, giving me signals. It might be him. Oh my god! Nick, I made it! Oh my god! Let's go! Oh my god, I made it! I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Watch this video that I spent 7 days in an island. Bye! I'm going to survive for the next 7 days on this side of the island with only a nut. And my friend thought I would do the same on the other side of the island. And now I'm going to see who can survive better.
Definitely girls.
Zero chances of winning, I'm sorry.
You don't have to say sorry because I'm gonna win.
Do you know that we don't have food and water for the next 7 days, right? You have a knife, I have a knife, I have my side, you have your side. We are going to see who is going to be the winner. No, you know, Nassim will be the judge who will decide who is going to be the winner based on our survival skills over the next 7 days. First challenge, who can start the fire first? Let's see. Who are you, follow? I will try who looks like we are going to use a glass or pot in these things. Start the fire like that. That's it. Yeah, if this will work. I think it's gonna take way too long. Let's go check on it.
Look at the videos that I was watching. Agreeing
I cannot start the fire. Very hard.
who's gonna win the challenge?
I don't know, you're both kind of stupid. That looks continuous. You still think you're gonna win?
I think this is the future.
Is this how you're gonna fire? You switching every 5 minutes. I mean, we think this is done right now.
We should do the same thing. This is gonna be the nightmare. This is not Rhode Island though. The glass doesn't work. Doesn't work. I have no idea how to make a fire.
You know what's funny? This is only day 1. I don't know how all these people do YouTube. They do. There is a lot of useful items. So I brought everything here. Now I will try to build the bed. After a lot of hard work, this is my bed. First day you think it's hard, you're gonna try the fire. Easy. Next day, you're gonna find out. I'm not afraid of anything. Anything you put me, I will do it better than that. This is all I know.
I'm gonna go there. Maybe there is something that I can use. I really want to drink already. I found this. Oh, it smells like Sprite. Just in case. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes bite me so bad.
I think the sun is going down.
In my beautiful house.
So happy we are in this island. It's 3 a.m. in the morning now and it's starting to rain.
It's starting raining. Hopefully, so there's a stop. I'm afraid crabs are walking everywhere. So much noise.
Olia was very scared alone in the dark. That's why she asked Nassim to bring his tent close to her.
You will ask us to
7 hours of sleep at the most. I wanted to pick.
them if they have a lighter.
One man randomly came to clean the island and Olia took full advantage of him to get some water and snacks.
Is there any chance you have a lighter?
Spare?
Yes. I met Smitty and I. Oh my god.
Olia, do you understand that this is only one night? Are you ready to quit?
No, I have a plan. Oh my.
Or to tell? Olia, this is my time for here. Now we're going to open
crazy turn of the ones never heard of. Like, that's all cringe and Fortnite and whatnot. How easy it is to give this man goosebumps. I just have to scratch his bell. These guys are basically tame now. I've gone ahead and just tamed them. Even when they're scared, they let me pet up, which is adorable. I mean, it's not that hard to tame a little Laffy Taffy, man. It never really was. You let them live in your living room for like 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4. But I do feel like these are my children now. I adore them. They love me. I know how to get on their good side. I've potty trained them. Now they come up and nibble on me. This is so good. I have good opinions of them all for the next few little bit. Happy bars are officially tame, you guys. They're good companions. Don't like very sudden movements from me. But anyway, I am gonna go out. I'm gonna take you guys fishing. Go fishing for big things. We're gonna be herping. I'm gonna show you guys all the but look how cute this is, you guys. I have a little area here for parking. Good morning, my tired baby boy. Gauss was just out there snoozing, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring him in here so you can see what he's sitting. This is my tiny cuddling with them right here on the couch. I love that they just get along so well. How is it weird? Drinking a milk. I guess that's safe for them, but putting on a bed on the bed is a little odd. I don't know that it's good for I mean, it's good for every other animal, so I assume it's really not like there's nothing toxic in there. Having said that, it's nighttime, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put him right here so he can fall asleep. He's already curled up under the blanket. He's gonna fall asleep there pretty soon. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodnight to Kanye, who is cringe. Stop! You're being very cringe, Kanye. You wanna go fishing with your dad? If you're a good man, I'll take you out tonight. But if you're a bad man, good evening, everybody. Pretty great. See, finally carp. A lot of carp came out under these bridges here, right downtown. And these dumboys. A beautiful night tonight. Look at that first herp of the night. What is this? Is this just a Mediterranean house gecko? What is this, you guys? Let me know what this is in the comments. I think it's just
Already done my exercise.